'Cause I think the best way to do it is just look at some problems here. Let me see if I can, all right, so let's just try a couple of these multiple choice questions just to see if there's some familiarity. So it says write a description of the rule xy becomes x plus 10 and y plus 8. So it let's just pick a point. Let's just say you're, even starting at 0, 0. What is 0 plus 10? What is 0 plus 8? Well, it's
0
10, 8,
plus
right?
10 is 10. Yeah, yeah.
That means 10 right and 8 up. Okay, so the like the plus means to the right, the plus means up. That's kind of straightforward, I would think.
Yeah.
Okay. Now make this a little bit more difficult here. Let's take a graph full of points. And let's say I wanted to go from D to C. Okay, D to C. Can you tell me how you would do that? And we're going up and down and left and right.
D to C. Up one left. I mean, sorry, up one right two.
Yeah, so right is X plus 2, up 1 is Y plus 1. Okay, so this was the rule over here, and you're expected to be able to write the rule. So let's say you were going to go from B to E. Could you write the rule for that for me, please?
What is that? Up four, right three. So it'd be X plus three, Y plus four.
Good, good, very good. Okay, now if you're going left, right, or if you're going, that's going to be a different direction. It's going to be negative. So let's reframe this here. Let's say you're going from I don't know, D to F. Okay, so this time you're going left 3 and down 1. So the left 3 is X minus 3, down 1 is Y minus 1. Is that reasonable?
Yeah.
So so you try this one, go from C to B and give me the rule for that.
Uh, so it'd be X minus two, Y minus one. Oh wait, no,
More
that
than
was to
that.
D.
Yep.
Sorry, I did that to D. Sorry. It would be X minus. I mean, sorry, Y minus six.
Good. Good. Very good. Okay. All right. So let's look at another problem here. And this is a reflection now. So let's say we were going to reflect this point over the x-axis. So you could make a rough sketch. Negative 210 is down here. And which is the x-axis? Is it the horizontal or is it the vertical?
The horizontal.
So that's the x there. So it's like a mirror. It's like going this way, going this way. So what does not change? What stays the same in the new point? The x or the y value?
The Y value.
The y value was negative 10. It's
Oh,
definitely not
sorry, the
negative
X
10.
value.
Yes, the x is negative 10, negative 2. The y value is 10 at this new point. All right, let me see if I can find. All right, let me find a couple more questions for us to do. Um, ugh, these aren't giving me what I want. All right, so let me just make one up here. Point -4, 3, it is reflected over the y-axis. Okay. So it's good to make a drawing. -4, 3 is there. We'll call that point A. Here's the y-axis. I want you to tell me where A prime is. A prime is the transformed point.
Oh, it will be at so it'd be at 4. Wait, no. Yeah, -4y. Wait, no.
Here's what you said, and I don't think you meant this. You said -4y, which is nothing. That doesn't do anything for us. We
Oh,
need
I
two
know.
numbers.
Yeah, that's not what I meant. No,
So go ahead, try again. Give me a
wouldn't it be? Oh my. Okay, wait. I'm actually stupid.
like
Okay,
like this
I
is the
read this
mirror.
wrong. Okay, yeah, yeah. It would be sorry, -4x. Yes, no,
Okay.
no, no, no. +4x, 3y. God, I don't know why
Yes.
that was so hard.
Yes. 4, 3. 4, 3 is your A prime. Good. Very good. Okay. So now let me grab a drawing here, and the directions move is as you stop looking at points, you start looking at typically triangles. This really sort of emphasize triangles here. So let's say we wanted to reflect over the y-axis. Okay. Now, because you don't have this in front of you to like draw on, let's do this with a table. So A, B, and C. Can you give me the coordinates of A and then B and then C, please?
Um,
The original here.
1, -3,
Good.
3, 0,
Good.
and then 4, -2.
4, -2. Okay, good. And this is where it's sometimes nice to have that rule there. Let me put the rule. We're going over the y-axis. So the rule says, I'm going to snip this in here. It says that over the x-axis, your xy becomes -x, y. So the y stays the same, but x is negated. What would those new ordered terms look like?
Reflecting it over the y.
Yeah, so
Okay.
so I
So
want you to I want you to use this rule. The rule says the x value is negated, becomes -x.
so -1, my -3.
Good. Keep going.
Um, -3, 0,
Good,
and
good,
-4, negative. I mean, -4, -2.
good. Now I'm only having you do this because you don't have it in front of you. You had it in front of you, you would just count and you'd be like, oh yeah, I got that right there. Now, when you draw it, I mean, you should visually be like, yeah, that looks like it's reflected. You shouldn't be surprised by the result, hopefully. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. So we are going to try another one here. All right, so we're going to reflect this over the x-axis this time. Reflect over the x-axis. So again, I want you to give me the coordinates of A, B, C, and D, please.
6, 5, 6, 5.
It's
Oh,
actually
5,
five, six.
6. I'm at
Yeah,
5,
yeah,
6. Yeah. Um, 10, 6 for B.
good.
8, 1,
Okay,
and then 3, 1.
okay. So I'm again going to put the transformation formula in front of you. These are worth remembering for this. So notice this time x stays the same, but y is negated.
So 5, -6, 10, -6, 8, -1, 3, -1.
Good. And so when you graph this, you should see that reflection here. Now, full disclosure, I'm doing it more of the visual way. Like I'm not going to plot those points, but when you get done, it should look the same. So this is A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. So that is it's called a prime, same as Coach Prime out of Colorado. even paying attention to that in the world. So, any questions on this?
No.
Okay. I do apologize. You're having some technical difficulties. You're not alone, but we are really close to out of time. Do you have any homework from class? I mean, how's everything going otherwise?
I don't think I have any homework now.
Okay, let me go and stop.